Hi there. I hope all are doing good. Today I'll show you the step-by-step installation and configuration of PostgreSQL. Let's get into the topic, and I'm showing you for Ubuntu, and later on I will make a video of Windows. So just search on Google, install Postgres on Ubuntu. PostgreSQL on Ubuntu, and just look for the official documentation, and here just follow the instructions step by step. First just create a repository, uh, copy this URL, and just switch over to your terminal and paste it. Next just add the key. Simply just copy and switch over on your terminal and just paste it. You'll get response okay. It means it added successfully. And then update your package once, and then just install the Postgres, and this command will install the latest versions. And as I have experienced some issue in the latest version, so I'll prefer installing uh, version 15. So now let's install, but change the version number with 15, and run this command as an administrator, sudo, and install it. Installation is complete, as you can see, and now you just try to log into your database. By default Postgres user is there, so you can log in using this command sudo su, and Postgres has been installed successfully, and then just log into it. Here we just get into the Postgres CLI. Here you can list roles using database. Later on I will show you more operations. Now I will just configure this database, and I'll show you some basic operations like creating DB and table, and some basics operations like inserting data, deleting, and update. In this video, that's it. Uh, there is one role Postgres. So first you create a database using create database command. Test DB. I'm creating test DB. You can use your own name. So see, database is created. Now you can list the database by using this command /l. See, test DB has been created successfully. Now let's connect test DB by C. You can write connect also, but C is shortcut for connecting the database. Test DB. Now you are connected with the database C, and now create a table. First list the tables and check whether there is a table present. See, did not find any table, means you have to create a table first. So create table name, test table, and just define the column. I'm just showing a demo, so just taking two fields, name and age. That's it. Serial, and I make ID as primary key, and name. Age integer, and table has been created successfully. And now insert our data. into the table. Insert into table name.
Right off the table.
Now I am showing inserting on data into this table that has been created now. So insert into test table, and you have to mention the field whatever you have mentioned during the creation of the table. So id is not mandatory, it will take automatically. Just name and age, two field is there, and just give them the value. ABC as a demo name, and 15. That's it. See, insert on data inserted successfully. Now you can list all the data by running this query. Register from table name, this table. See, now just update the record just inserted. Just use this command update table, and just put the conditions which one do you have to update. So now, as of now, only one record is there, so just type on as an id and update the name field. I'm showing you by updating the name field. The update has been complete, and then now the last operation is delete. So let's see the delete operation. Just type this command delete from table name, and just put the condition id equal to on. So that's it for this video, and later on I'll show you the configurations for connecting with the application, and many more. So thank you.